Okay. Okay, so it starts at the service port for the hot gas line. Oh, it's a hot gas line. It's all frozen. Comes through. That's frozen. Looks like the real suction line is frozen. So the absolute suction and the hot gas line are both frozen. Down to the compressor body. It's been in cooling all day. I think it was set to 68, and that was probably what, like 6 hours ago. And I've noticed this has been kicking on a lot more often, and the thermostat hasn't been satisfying. It's at 73 inside, even though it was set to 68. So it's been on all day. Why didn't... Well, no, defrost wouldn't kick in unless you're in heat rep. And this is replaced probably like 4 days ago. This is trash insulation. Not supposed to use this. I know. The dogs chewed through the old insulation, and I just put this here, so they might have also caused some leaks here. This is starting to frost up too. Why? Wouldn't the system kick off on low pressure? Where the hell's my liquid line? Oh, is that frozen too? What the fuck? Cannot find my liquid line. Where the fuck is that? Fuck is it? Oh, there it is. Comes out, it bends. Oh, it's already thawing out pretty good. It was solid ice before. Covering this.
light.
Okay.
I don't want the double bleed.